Hello, my name is David with Winning Solutions. We hope this video will be all the help you need. Are you trying to create an Access database, but find that it is too much work, or you could be doing something more productive with your time? WSI can do all the hard work for you. Just contact us via the information below this video. We will work with you to determine how much time and money will be needed to build your new database. If you'd prefer to have your database built with .NET, Microsoft SQL Server, so you can run it on your Windows desktop or anywhere in a web browser, we could do that too. So let's take a look at the enhanced work order management database template. So this is very similar to most of our templates if you've seen them before. If not, we're going to take you through every step of it. Of course, let me just say at the outset, what we're seeing right here is a demo. It is fully functional, but will not save data in between when you close it. The full version gives you complete access to all the tables, the source code, everything, so you can customize it any way you want, hire someone, or hire us to do it. And the great thing is you own it afterwards. No license fees or, when you buy off-the-shelf commercial software, you can't modify it. If there's a bug or something you need fixed, wait till the next version or wait till the next patch. No, you get everything. It is basically yours. You have complete control. So, without further ado, let's go through the application. Now, generally, the first place we're going to go in an application like this is the maintain lists, because anything that goes in a drop-down box, anything that goes in what we call a lookup table, where you're not really adding data, but it's stuff you're going to look up, like states, departments. Now, in this case, my company information, that's only going to be your information, so we won't change that. Parts, and again, so if you're selling parts, that type of thing, or receiving parts, these are things we're buying. So again, we'll leave that alone. There's enough in there to work with. But somewhere there is a drop down asking you to select a part, and it's getting the information from in here. Payment methods, yes, whatever. Right, so you can add things to this, and of course you can add tables and categories too in the full version. There's no reason that this is an exhaustive list. Let's save and close that, and let's go into. So we have employees of our customers. So we're keeping track of work orders. These are customers and these are employees. I've put a few customers in here just as a starter, and I've already put a few employees in here. So let's go to the work orders. Now, there's no work orders in here yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a work order. And of course, you can search these in any of these. You can search these. I'm not going to show you all the pot, but you can choose what fields. This will search all the fields that are checked. No. And we have partial match, and you can also do match as you type. Oh, I'm in customers. Okay, there we go. So that's the search feature. So, but let's go back into work orders where we were, and we'll add a new work order. Now, okay, so this is a little more sophisticated, but again, still customizable, obviously. Date received, it's going to automatically put today's date in, obviously. Date required, let's say a week. I don't want to do that. Oops, I got 21. Entered by. Okay, so here's your list of employees. So entered by Tyrion Lannister, PO number, ever, work order ID. So this is automatically assigned. If you want to have your own system for work order IDs where you have combinations of letters and numbers and some pattern, we can certainly customize that too. Customer ID. Oh, and okay, so I put in customers, but I only put companies in for one of them, so that's why you're getting those blank spaces. Problem description. This is R2D2's entry. Just okay. It's a good question, isn't it? Anyway, so the parts, now these were defined in the maintenance menu, so you can add, so in this case, and this, by the way, this is a very generic application, so this is going to be customized to whatever you're doing. So yeah, so here's the customer. He's either ordering these parts, or these are parts that you're ordering for a maintenance project. Maybe you're doing a maintenance or doing a building project, and you need to order these. So either way, I mean, so it's a little bit, well, it's flexible. I mean, it's really what it is. It can have, it doesn't have one. This app doesn't have one exact meaning. It means whatever you need it to mean, and that's the great thing. So yeah, so it automatically does the total and sales tax and all that. I'll leave the rest of this up. And select calendar color. So when this appears in the calendar, you can identify it by its color. I'm going to make it a light color because I think there's going to be black text on top of it. So if we look at this in the calendar, you see it's in that color, right? And I can double click and I can go in here. Calendar, of course, has bi-weekly views. It has weekly views. Not much to show there. Daily. I think this was a week. Yeah, okay, there it is. That's why it's the 14th. Okay, so anyway, that's a calendar view. Oh, actually, let's go back to calendar view because you can also print. We're going to show only the work week, but you can change that. Okay, now we're in bi-weekly view. So yes, you can go ahead and print that. Let's go and back up out of here. And let's see. We've done, I think the only thing left here is reports. And of course we can do finished. I don't think we have anything finished. Yeah, of course. We don't have anything finished yet, that's why. Unfinished work orders, we're going to have that one item. And work order summary. Again, and we can add reports to this too. Let's just put the whole month in here so we know we get. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's the 216. That reflects all the parts we entered before. That's the reason for that. Okay, so that wraps up our enhanced work order management database template. I hope this has been enjoyable and helpful for you. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was all the help you needed for your Access database. If you are struggling to create an Access database that does what you need it to do and just want someone to make that happen for you, that is the business we are in. Our contact information is below the video. You can reach out to us and we will work with you to determine how long it will take and how much it will cost to get your database up and going. If the time and cost are acceptable to you, WSI will get to work and make your database vision a reality. Perhaps Microsoft.NET or MS SQL Server would be the better choices for your new database, so it can run on your Windows desktop or anywhere in a web browser. WSI will help you make this determination if you like. Again, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.